Hello, Justin here from Leavens Volkswagen, here to discuss a service that we offer our customers, which is headlight restoration. As you'll notice here, over time your headlight lenses can become quite foggy, which reduces nighttime visibility. To replace your headlight assemblies, it will cost in the upwards of $700 to get both replaced, although we offer a 3M restoration for your vehicle, which is typically $89.95, but we have it on special for $69.95. Not only does it increase nighttime visibility, you'll also notice it increases the looks of your car. And next I'm going to show you the process that we do to do this service, and you'll see the beautiful before and after. Alright, well here we are in Levins Detail shop, where Aaron's going to show you the process to get things prepped and ready to apply the 3M restoration.
So the first step in the 3M headlight restoration, our detailer is going to sand them down with a 500 grit special 3M sandpaper. So now we go down to a finer grit. This is now an 800 grit. So it went from a 500 grit to an 800 grit. Now we're down to a 1000 grit sandpaper. Now we're down to a 3000 grit. You can really start to see the clarity now with these headlights. You can buy these aftermarket kits from different places that do a similar job, but nothing compares to the 3M. And now we're on to buffing. And this is a special 3M buffing compound. Now just remember what Justin said earlier in the video. To replace the headlight assemblies, you can't just replace the lenses. To replace the headlight assemblies on a Mark IV Golf Jetta, you're looking at about $700 for the pair. And again, this service we have on sale for $69.95. Now the final step, Aaron says, is the machine polish.
And as you can see, here's our final product. Restoration complete, lenses look new. Wait until you see it at nighttime driving. It's fantastic. You can book this service in with our service department at 519-455-2580, or you can book online at levinsvw.com. We are at First and Dundas here in London, Ontario.
You're gonna love everything